Okay guys, the next aspect we're looking at now would be figure 1. So we have our patient health status and we want to create three categories actually: excellent to good, poor to extremely poor, and we have our fair category. So we want the frequency, I want the percentages for these categories in the bar chart. To do that, you go in SPSS, we need to create a new variable, so we need to go to transform, recode into different variables. We take out all previous BMI, CAT information, or anything else you would have had there, and we enter now, we carry across there our perceived health status, which is this one right here. We call this new health, so anything you want to call it. I'll call this perceived health status new. Okay. And all the new values. Now if you remember, we had this coded, if I remember correctly, which is I believe 0, 1. Okay, let me confirm that. Right, 0 to 6. Yes. Right. So let's go back and do that same information we just did. I'll do this quickly. So let me look at that here. All the new values. We remove everything that was there before. Remember when you're doing the analysis you're doing later on, just make sure and continuously save your data. This is very important. Okay, so from poor, extremely poor to poor, we're given that that was range from 0 to 2, and we give that a value of 1. Then we've got our, we go click value and we call in tree. This tree is fair, we give that a value of 2, and range value true highest from value of 4, and we give that a value of 3. We hit add, and then we hit continue, and then OK. We go back on our variable, our data, and we have our new variable here. We have to give names to all the labels. So 1 was extremely poor to poor. 2 was fair, and 3 was good to excellent. Make it OK. And now to do the graph, we're going under graphs for the bar chart, and we go under chart toggle. You click OK. Okay, so you want a bar chart, so you click this bar chart here and drag it over into the white box here. Okay, so under statistic, we change this to percentage, and we go down to our new variable and we drag it across to the x-axis. Make sure you change the statistic to percentage. Right, my percentage did not come up. It should have. Right. Once you've had this percentage, you click apply. Right, so change the percentage now, and now you're going into click OK. Get the chart coming up here, right? And you have all the different percentage points here, how people perceive their health. To get the percentages to apply it within the graph, you can double click and edit the graph. So you can then right click and then you click show data labels. Okay, this will come up. You can close this. If you want to change the color of the graph, let's say we go into fill and border, let's go with something brighter and more standoffish, that looks a little nicer. Click close and then click X here, and our chart is now changed. Okay, so that's how you do figure one. All right.